unfortunately, both of them did not come.
So I
So I went-
went, we vote to sign.
Go to sign my attendance, then walk.
Then walk. Then walk.
Autocorrect yan. To inquire about what autocorrect lang yan. Hindi, autocorrect lang sa requirement. I also take.
I also take a picture.
At our school.
Took a picture, di ba?
Niloloko lang nila yan.
In our I learned that there are many companies doing for me.
So after I gathering.
Gathering.
After I gathering. I gathering. Pagkabuhayan eh.
I went to the canteen. Hospital pa.
After I gathering
The
members of
outside, I went to the
Sineto, nakahanap na naman ng
autocorrect lang yan.
Autocorrect lang yan. Kaya sa kakatawa.
Picture pa. May patuloy nga na ba?
Puta na eh, 100 eh. Puta na. After I gathering.
Parang na-push yung perma niya, yun. Pero bakit?
Man, nakatanggap ako ng F sa school. Ano ibig sabihin ng F? Pasado na.
Ay, gathering eh.
Hindi, kukusin mo na.
I will gather. I will gathering. Wala.
Wala, ubus namin to. Jojo,
Ayan o, may Diyos ko.
masama yan. Masama yan. Yan, matador.
Naalala ko yun ah.
Wala. Parang nag-out mo. Wala. Ayan, may isa.
Dubai ko.
Maliit. Muslim ka ba? Makaano pala siya yun, dahil card.
Ay, meron tatlong PCI ko na
Ay, meron. BPI.
Tatlo eh.
Meron.